After the age of 60, walking every day feels like the right thing to do. You've probably heard it many times. Just walk more, stay active, keep moving. And yes, walking is good. It supports your heart, improves your mood, and keeps your body moving. But here's something most people don't realize. Walking alone is not enough to keep your legs strong. And in some cases, walking the wrong way can actually make your body weaker over time. It sounds surprising, but it's true. Because after 60 your body changes. Your muscles become less active, your joints need more support, and your balance system becomes more sensitive. And if you continue moving without activating the right muscles, your body starts to compensate. Your knees take more pressure, your lower back works harder, and slowly, your strength begins to decline. This is why some people walk every day, yet still feel stiffness, discomfort, or even weakness in their legs. Not because walking is bad, but because certain mistakes are quietly limiting its benefits. And today, you're going to discover 3 hidden walking mistakes that many people over 60 make without realizing it, and what to do instead, so your walking actually builds strength, improves balance, and keeps you pain-free. Mistake 1. Walking without engaging muscles. Most people walk passively, meaning they simply move their legs, without activating the muscles that matter, especially the glutes, the most powerful muscles in your lower body. When your glutes are not engaged, your knees and lower back take extra stress. Over time, this can lead to discomfort, reduced stability, and weaker movement. Instead, try to walk with awareness. Keep your posture upright, gently engage your hips, and push slightly through your steps. This small change can make a big difference. Mistake 2. Only walking, no strength work. Walking is a repetitive movement, but it does not challenge your muscles enough. To build strength, especially after 60, your body needs resistance. To maintain muscle mass. This is why walking alone cannot prevent muscle loss. Over time, your legs may become weaker. Even if you stay active, the solution is simple. Add small strength movements, like chair squats, heel raises. Just a few minutes a day. This helps activate the muscles that walking does not fully use. Mistake 3. Ignoring balance and posture. Many people focus only on steps, but ignore how they walk. Poor posture, leaning forward, or unstable steps can affect your balance system. And balance is one of the most important factors. After 60, because falls don't happen due to lack of walking, they happen due to lack of control. Instead, walk with control. Keep your head up, your shoulders relaxed, and your steps steady. Even slow walking, done correctly, is more powerful than fast walking done wrong. When you correct these small mistakes, something powerful begins to happen. Your body starts to feel stronger, your steps become more stable, and your confidence slowly returns. Because strength is not about how much you move, it's about how well you move. After 60, your goal is not just activity, it's control, stability, and independence. Walking will always be a good habit, but when you combine it with awareness, strength, and balance, it becomes a powerful tool for staying healthy. Start small, move with intention, and give your body the support it needs. Because no matter your age, your body can still become stronger, one step at a time.